Few hours ahead of his historic inauguration, US President-elect Joe Biden has nominated or named a diverse cabinet which includes at least 20 Indian Americans. This includes 13 women to key positions in his administration, a new record in itself for this small ethnic community that constitutes just 1% of America's population. As many as 17 of them would be part of the powerful White House complex. The January 20th inauguration, the 59th in all, wherein Biden would be sworn in as the 46th President of the United States, is already historic in the making, as for the first time ever, a woman, Kamala Harris, would be sworn in as the Vice President of the country. Harris, 56 years old, is also the first ever Indian origin and African American to be sworn in as the Vice President of the United States. It is also for the first time ever that so many Indian Americans have been roped into a presidential administration even before the inauguration. Topping the list is Neera Tandon, who has been nominated as the Director of the White House Office of Management and Budget, and Dr. Vivek Murthy, who has been nominated as the US Surgeon General. Vanita Gupta has been nominated as Associate Attorney General, Department of Justice, and a former Foreign Service official, Uzra Zia, has been nominated as the Under Secretary of State for Civilian Security, Democracy and Human Rights. Mala Adiga has been appointed as the Policy Director to the future First Lady, Dr. Jill Biden, and Garima Verma would be the Digital Director of the Office of the First Lady. Sabrina Singh has been named as Jill Biden's Deputy Press Secretary. For the first time ever, among the Indian Americans include two who trace their roots to Kashmir. This includes Aisha Shah, who has been named as the Partnership Manager at the White House Office of Digital Strategy, and Samira Fazili, who would occupy the key position of Deputy Director at the US National Economic Council in the White House. Other Indian origin persons include Bharat Ramamurthy, Gautam Raghavan, Binay Reddy, Vedant Patil, Sonia Agarwal, Vidur Sharma, Neha Gupta and Reema Shah. 3 Indian Americans have also made their way to the crucial National Security Council of the White House, thus leaving a permanent imprint on the country's foreign policy and national security. They are Tarun Chhabra, Sumona Guha and Shanti Kalathil. Biden seems to have stayed true to his promise that he made during the presidential campaign when he indicated that he would rope in a large number of Indian Americans in his team.